Let me guess, you've been grinding away at TikTok Shop, you've been trying to make videos for a few weeks, maybe even a couple months, and you're still just not quite seeing the results that you want to get. And it's extremely frustrating, right? Because you see a lot of other affiliates making an extra $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month, maybe even $50,000 a month, while you're still struggling to get consistent sales. That's the important part. And the crazy thing is, after helping a ton of affiliate creators scale their income, I can tell you that 90% of the people are making the exact same mistakes. And there is actually one really good part about that. You can just simply do what they aren't doing, and one of these mistakes, when fixed, can literally 3 to 4x your earnings overnight. It's that simple. In this video, I'm going to break down the 5 biggest TikTok Shop affiliate mistakes that are killing your sales, and specifically how to fix each one so that way you can actually start seeing the results that you want. So obviously the first thing that you want to understand is you're listening to someone who actually knows what they're talking about. So I started TikTok Shop back in February. I've done over $1 million in GMV, and I've helped people like my cousin, my own grandma get into TikTok Shop, and I consistently make around $15,000 plus in commission every single month on TikTok Shop, and I've seen the same stuff over and over again. So believe me when I say that, I know what I'm talking about. So here's some more of my screenshots. A couple of these were back from September, but getting right into it. The 5 mistakes that a lot of people make on TikTok Shop, and I've seen these mistakes, happen over and over again. So that's why I wanted to dedicate a full video to this. And the first mistake, and this is something super simple, and I get this surprisingly a lot anytime I see someone, post new videos, or even have people reach out to me like, hey, can you just look at my videos? And it's actually using non-native TikTok font. So for example, a lot of people will use CapCut. They'll film their video on CapCut, and then they'll actually start to edit their video in CapCut, and then use the CapCut fonts. Now that in of itself isn't an issue, but the problem is it sticks out like a sore thumb on TikTok specifically. And try this yourself, scroll on TikTok, you might find yourself like scrolling past videos. If you're just aware of it, you might notice it, where you need to be using TikTok fonts because you want it to look as normal and appealing as possible to people who are used to seeing TikTok style videos. Because if they notice something is off, and like this picture shows right here, you need to blend in to pass the MPC sniff test. So if they know right away that, hey, this wasn't even made on this app, they're going to scroll away. People come to TikTok to see TikTok videos. So that's the biggest mistake. It's super simple fix. And if you are doing that, like, stop that immediately. You are killing your sales and your conversions. And I've seen it happen way too many times. So the second mistake that I see people make way too often is they'll make this masterclass of a video. They'll go the whole way. They'll make this crazy conspiracy theory video that's 5 minutes long with the most in-depth social proof possible. It's well done. They copy a viral video. They put their own spin on it. They have the best product in the world. And then at the end, they'll just end the video. They don't even tell people what they want people to do. You gotta, just like this guy right here, you need to tell people what you want them to do. And as simple as this sounds, it can make the difference between you doubling your conversion. And so when your conversions are higher, TikTok is just going to push your video more and more. So when you have a strong call to action, and there's a lot of ways to do this, some of the most simple ways are, hey, I would recommend getting this 2-pack because it's the best price possible. So I linked it down below in this video. And as much as you think, oh, people know where to click, I still get comments to this day, people saying, where do I go to buy this? And my mind is blown. So that should prove more than ever, you need to have a strong call to action. Tell people what you want them to do. You went through all this work to get them to your end of the video. Now it's your job. You hook them in. They believe you. They trust you in this video. So do your job and tell them where to go and tell them what to do and tell them why they need to do it now. And your conversions will probably at least 2-3x. And therefore you're making 2-3 times the amount of money. Therefore TikTok is pushing your video more and you're making even more money in the process. So make sure you have a strong call to action. So, and the third mistake is, I see this, and this is really common too. I will see people, and I just saw this myself the other day. Somebody copied my video. Someone had poor tonality. This is extremely important. Like, I literally just the other day, people aren't going to make it, but they copy these viral videos, which is perfectly okay. I do that myself. I copy some of these viral videos, change a couple things, but tonality and how you say things is more important than almost anything else. And I saw this on my For You page the other day. I had a viral video where for a product I generated over 1 million views, a couple thousand GMV, I don't remember exactly off the top of my head. And I watched the video, I was like, no way this person just copied my entire video word for word, but they sound like a robot. They just wasted that entire video because they didn't put any effort into sounding like themselves and just having a normal tone, acting like they're speaking to someone, like I'm speaking on this video right now. So you have to find a tone and just sound like a normal person, because act like you're speaking to a friend. That's the #1 piece of advice I can give you, is genuinely act like you're speaking to a friend. time because tonality is everything. You can take, and I've tested this myself, where I have a video, I post, and I'm like, you know what, my tonality was a bit off there. I recreate that video and it goes viral. Even though I said the exact same things, it's how you say it, and you have to speak with conviction because people can smell if you don't believe with what you're saying. So at least sound like you believe what you're saying, and your conversions, again, are going to be way higher. You're going to make way more money. And this is going to be you if you don't fix your tonality. The number 4 mistake that I see a lot of people make, and this is really common for a lot of people, and it's not even just new affiliates trying to do this, it's also experienced ones that think they're too creative now. And the biggest mistake is trying to reinvent the wheel. Just stop. Like, even to this day, this month, one of my most viral videos, I copied almost word for word. I made it very similar. I changed some things, but I almost word for word copied a viral video for a similar product, not the same product, because it often doesn't work as well if you're copying the same video for the same product. But I took another video, I took the structure and made it into my own, changed a couple of things, but it's mostly the same video, and I went viral with it, generated thousands of dollars of GMV. So stop trying to reinvent the wheel. Focus on what's working. Take a style, look around and say, okay, this style of content is working. Stop trying to constantly reinvent a new style of content. There's no need. Everything that you need to succeed is already out there, and you should be doing product research, market research on what's working for other people, because if it's working for other people, it's going to work for you. So again, stop. A lot of people think copycats aren't allowed on this platform. You know, I want to be original. I want to be the greatest video maker ever. Stop that. Just, you're going to make way more money. You're going to spend less time making videos. You're going to be less frustrated because you're doing what already works. So again, you're not better than the people making 10K, 50K, 100K a month. This is what all the top affiliates are doing. Now, of course, you want to reiterate, put some spins on things, make them better, improve them. But at the end of the day, copy what's working. It's that simple. And the 5th mistake that I see a lot of people make, and this is really common here, is failing to maximize on successful content. So what I mean by this is, it's a lot of work to get a viral video, right? Sometimes even one viral video a month. And so what you need to do is, when you get that viral video, you need to double, triple down on that viral video, because you already did the hard work. You already found this product converts. You did the 2 things that you need to have a successful viral video on TikTok Shop. It needs to convert. You got views. So why would you not triple down on that? So again, you need to copy your viral video over and over again. Literally milk that viral video dry. You should be making that 5 to 10 times in a month. So for example, if I get a viral video, I'm going to be doing 3 videos a day for that product for the next month straight. I'm not going to post another product. I'm going to basically recreate that viral video. I'll reiterate and try to do some new winning angles, new winning concepts, but every single day, one of the videos that I post is going to be a recreation of that first one that went viral. Stop trying to reinvent the wheel again. This is kind of similar to mistake number 4, but stop thinking that because it worked once, it's not going to work again. A common mistake that I see a lot of people think is that their audience has maxed out. They're going to see this video again. 2 things are either going to happen. One, most often, is TikTok does a really good job at targeting new people who probably haven't seen it already. And 2, if they have seen the original video, chances are it's because they watched most of the video, they liked the video, they click on the product. They're not going to be upset if they see a new version of that video. I've never gotten a comment saying I've seen this video 8 times. So genuinely recreate your videos. You're going to 4 to 5x your income just by doing that alone. And most importantly, the algorithm really favors consistent themes in your content. So if you're doing one video on a product, you get a viral video, and then you randomly create a new video for a completely separate product that has no affiliation with the original product that you went viral for. TikTok's gonna say like, whoa, we just gave you another viral video. Why would you start making videos for new products? And just in summary, when a video hits, make 10 more versions of that. Again, change it slightly. Don't post the exact same thing. Change the background, slightly change your filler words, how you say things, but now you just made 10 more videos that are pretty likely to go viral. And again, test different hooks with the same content. So make most of the same video, but maybe this time test what sort of call to action you put, maybe test the background, but overall keep the theme consistent in that video. And then only then, when a product starts to die out, should you move on. And again, do that, and I promise you, you're going to make substantially more money. So those are the 5 biggest TikTok Shop affiliate mistakes that are really killing your sales. And you can take what I've shared and literally start fixing those issues today. But here's the important part. There is so much more to mastering affiliate marketing, especially on TikTok. The smallest things make the biggest details. And the strategies that I've shared, they're quite literally just the tip of the iceberg. So if you guys do want to learn my complete system for making $500 plus per day as a TikTok Shop affiliate, click the first link on my bio if you want to apply to work with me one-on-one. I'll show you exactly how I went from complete beginner, never posting a piece of content online, to generating over $1 million in GMV on TikTok Shop. I'll help you share all my winning strategies, how I pick product, and the execution secrets that you need to know to make consistent money. So if you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and stay tuned for the next video.